Okay, so let's open up our generic database. It's made in Microsoft Access, so we need to have that. I need to know what version of Microsoft Access you have. If it's 2007, 2010, 2013 like mine, or 2016. I need to know in order to send you the right demo in order to test it. The database has different parts. It has a part for the role here, for your attendance, for students, the grades, and different reports that you might want to see. In order to adjust their role, let's look at this one, and let's open it up. This is grade 1, 1, 3, and that can be north. It can be changed to anything that you want it to be changed to. We see that there's also an attendance for 2018. So we have these students in there. If we want to delete a student, we click on this side here and to select the student. And when we press delete, it will disappear. Of course, you don't want to do that for any years where you already have information for the student. You're going to completely mess everything up because all of his information is going to get screwed up. So this is only for like if you made a mistake, you know, the first time you're entering it. Anyway, let's add somebody back in. And okay, let's say I want to enter something for 2019. I can click here or on new blank record. This is the native way that you do it in Access. And there's a button here to do it as well. I can put in the class for the person. Let's put in this. Let's put in something for 2019. Let's add in this guy, this person here. You don't have to click save normally in Access, but I have the save button because people are used to it. You can close that. Let's go to attendance. Let's go to 1, 3, whatever that is. And this is attendance for this particular day, 2018, the end of the year. Let's see. So there's other information for that class. If you see, it's based on the class, right? So it's 1-3. So if I go to a new one, because again, that thing is for, well, there's two ways to get a new one. You can either go to press the new button here or up here, or I can remove this whole thing if you want. You can go to beyond the last one. And alright, so let's put in something for this date in 2019. And then we'll put in 2019 for the Christmas. I just put it, I don't work in a school and I don't work in any of these schools, so I just made this based on what, I understood. And you can see all the people that we entered in the class. They're coming up here. And it's red because I haven't said whether or not they're late or absent yet. And I don't have everybody's, I only have late because that's, if they're not late, then why? It's easier for the computer just to keep track of who's late. Everybody else is assumed to be present then. And it should be easier for human as well to, when you have to worry about that. Of course, you can adapt it to however you want it to be. Make it close here and close there. Let's put in grades for a particular class, let's say. And this is for this class. Everything in here is supposed to be for this class. I went to a new one, so let's put in Spanish for this class for 19. Christmas. And you can put in the teacher if you want. And again, these are the people in the class. Whatever that coursework is, whatever this class is, you can write whatever comments you want. If you need to see it bigger, there's a button that you can press to make it bigger. I can make it so that when you double click on this, it just automatically gets bigger. I do that sometimes in programs that people ask for. Let's put in this person's first. Let's put in this. More information. Now this person's first because he has a higher grade. And let's put in this last person. He's going to be third. Alright, so we're done. We can just click close. And to show reports for say 2019. Well, we can see rankings for different things. Form 1, term. What term do we want? We want 2019, Christmas. Alright, let's choose a class. I don't remember what subject I put for these things. Yeah, there's nobody there. But anyway, we can put in form 3. I guess, I hope this is information that I already have. 12. Alright, so this would have been for a particular guy for the different forms that he was in. There's a master sheet that's supposed to be for everybody in that form. For what term? This is something that's really, really large. I can adjust it to however you need it to be, but it was a really, really big sheet that this guy had wanted, and I just left it in the system. But maybe some of these things are familiar to you, and you know, if you tell me what version of Microsoft Access you're using, I'll be able to send you a demo and you can check some of this stuff yourself to see how it works. Thanks. Bye.